not just here but in LA, and I think this is the first time na mangyayari yun. So it's us representing GMA Pictures and Star Cinema and ABS-CBN as well. So nakaka-proud lang na kaya pala natin. So yun, sana magustuhan nila.
Record-breaking din yung Hello Love against the US. Pumalo na kayo sa 2.4 million US dollars. Just talk about that.
We're very grateful. Maraming salamat po sa pagmamahal at suporta na binibigay niyo po sa amin at sa pelikula. No words can express how grateful we are for the turnouts po, and we're just very happy na maraming nakaka-appreciate po sa Hello Love Again.
Yeah, every day it's like, parang pagod lang ng pagod yung mga balita. It gets better and better. But more than anything, siguro we're just so blessed. We are so blessed because binigyan ng tao ng chance yung pelikula namin. And lahat ngayon ang nare-receive namin. Parang wala na kami mahihiling pa. This is too much.